What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be test fitting some fenders. So they're from eBay, so I don't know exactly how they're going to fit, but that's what we're testing them out for. I'm going to test them out before I start wrapping it, because my fenders that I have on now are a little flared out, and I'll show you guys that as well. Also, my wrap also just came in, so if you guys could figure out which color it is, let me know down in the description and I'll send you guys a free sticker. I'll leave a picture of how the sticker's gonna look right here in the next frame, but leave it down in the description, and if you guys get it right, I'll reach out to you guys and we'll go on from there, guys. Alright guys, so fast forward a couple of days. The intro was basically on Monday or Tuesday. It's already Thursday, and I already have the stock fenders off. As you guys can see, both sides are off. I already test fit this side. It fits perfectly. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will see that the gaps are perfect. The fenders are not flared anymore. Well, this side at least. I just gotta do that side because I never even tested it. So that's what we have right here. These fenders are from eBay. I paid like 90 bucks for them. So I mean, for 90 bucks, the fitment was not bad at all. But I had to redo these wires right here because it was too long and it was touching the tire. But I already got them taped up. It's all good to go. It's all good in the neighborhood. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you guys how it looks. Alright guys, so there it is. It looks pretty solid. I'm not mad about them. Like I said, I already saw it yesterday. I just really need to see this passenger side because that's the side that has a bigger gap on it. So I mean, for a replacement fender, it is a little bit thinner, but they hold, man. The ones that were on there were the same ones, so that's why I'm not even tripping, man. Like, they're nice. So let me go ahead, mock this up, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys. Yo, it's fucking hot out here, man, so don't mind my fucking sweaty ass head. But the fender fits pretty well. It still has a pretty big gap, like around the headlight area. So I gotta figure out why it has that gap. So it might be with my core support, honestly. I might have to push it back a little bit more or do something with it. But other than that, dude, it's fitting pretty well. The gap by the door is pretty good. I just gotta figure out this corner, which I'll show you guys right now. But just to remind you guys again, if you guys figure out which color I'm going with, I will send you guys a sticker. It'll be a sticker of my car, of course. And yeah, if you guys figure out which color, it doesn't have to be specific, but if you guys figure out which color it is, I'll get in contact with you guys and I'll send you guys a sticker right away. So also, I'm gonna be wrapping it starting tomorrow, which is Friday. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think, what color you guys think it is, and I'll get in contact with you guys. But yeah, guys, this is the fender right here, and this is the door side. If you guys can see the gap between the door and the fenders pretty well. It's not bad. I'm happy with that because it used to be really big, so I'm happy with that. Don't mind my sweaty hand marks, or yeah, greasy hands. But this is what I'm talking about right here. This gap right here, it's huge, man. I don't like that. So I'm gonna have to take this apart, push the core support a little bit more in, because I don't know if you guys remember, but my core support, I could take it off whenever I want because I didn't mold it back on. So I'm gonna have to push this in a little bit more and get the headlight to close up. But other than that, dude, I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, if you look at it from here, it looks fine. And the driver's side looks perfect on both sides. The fender to the door, the gap is just the same as the passenger side, and the headlight to the fender is pretty well too. So yeah, guys, also I'm gonna get a new fuel filter because that shit's clapped out. I have a new fuel line. I'm just waiting for the filter to come in because I don't want to put the old filter with the new line. So I have a new intake coming in, and I'm gonna swap it again for sure because this engine is smoking. But once I take this out, I'm gonna repaint this whole bay because I don't know, man, I'm not happy with it. It doesn't look all too well to me. So I'm also gonna get a new radiator because this one's leaking. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry it was so short, but I really don't have a lot to do right now. So yeah, next video will be me wrapping my fenders and maybe my doors, but we'll see, man. But on that note, you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one.